Okay, so you got your new computer. You are used to Windows 7 maybe, and you wanna make it user friendly. So there's a few things that I like to do. One is to have a Cortana here, because with this, if you are looking for something, it really helps. Like for example, let's say you want an application, you just start typing and it pops. So it's really helpful to have Cortana. um, so to get Cortana, you right click, you go here and make sure it's not hidden. So you could either have the icon here, so it gives you this, or I just prefer to have the search box. The other thing is that you want to have some icons to find your stuff, like your pictures, maybe your C drive. So to do that, you right click on the anywhere on the desktop and you click personalize. I like to have this window maximize like this. Then you go to themes, you go to desktop icon settings, and then you add like computer, usually this is marked control panel and user files. You do apply, you do OK, and then you got this. So if you want to look for your folders, you may just click on your name and there will be your main folders, like your pictures for example. If you wanna go to computer, you'll see like your USB drives or your DVD-ROM if you have one. So it really helps. One thing that Windows 10 has is that from here, if you left click, you'll have your applications, but if you right click on it, you also have this menu. So like if you want to see your system specifications, you could go here, or disk manager. Okay, so that's just a quick note. Another thing that I like, many people don't know that uh, even though Windows 10 comes with Microsoft Edge, which is this one, and for some people they don't like it or it's hard to use because they are used to something else. Like if you are used to Internet Explorer, it's still here. You just need to type on Cortana Internet Explorer and there you go. So I usually just right click on it and do pin to taskbar. That way I have it here. I like to put it next to Edge. So there you go, the traditional Internet Explorer. uh, there's a website that I like, that I created. If you wanna use it, I'll leave the link on the description. It's basically this website right here. It has like icons to go to some of the main websites that most people like to visit. So to make it your home page, you just go here, internet options, make sure it's open, so you just click use current and apply. Alright, if you are used to Google Chrome or Mozilla, I recommend you to download it right away. So you will say, if you go to Google, it will ask you, it will actually give you the option to go right away there and install it. I like to have Adobe Reader in my computer, even though Windows 10 will open a PDF with Internet Explorer. I mean, with Microsoft Edge, it's a good idea just to download the Adobe Reader if you are used to it. So yeah, to download sorry, Adobe Reader, you just go to adobe.com, scroll down and click on Adobe Reader. So I will uncheck everything that is there, and this is true for any application that you get from the internet. Before clicking next, always make sure that if there's something you don't like, you uncheck it and do install now, and that will install Adobe Reader. It's asking me to close Internet Explorer. So while this download, we can talk about the display settings. Maybe this is too small for you. First, you can change the view. You could make your icons bigger, for example. I like medium. If you go to display settings, then you can go here to change the size of text, application, and other items. So you could make them bigger or smaller, for example, like that. I will choose 125. So yeah, this makes everything bigger or smaller. So to get there, you just right click anywhere on the desktop, display settings, and then here you can choose your display settings. There's also many updates that the usually Windows 10 will start downloading. So if you have time, it's always good just to try to download them, go a little ahead of it. Like here you could type updates and there's check for updates, and then you do check for updates. That way if you have some time, then you could just go ahead and do the updates, and because if you don't do it, it will do it when you turn off your computer. Especially if you have a laptop, then this bothers some people. So like right now is downloading some updates. This is done, my installation. So that's it. It says you wanna make it the default. I will say yes to it. I will click continue, and I will click change. You just follow the instructions, and then you choose whichever you wanna be your default. So I'll do the Adobe Reader. and OK. Alright, I hope this video helped. If you like it, please click like, share with your friends and maybe your parents if they are having trouble with Windows 10. This will be a little easier for them to work with. Thank you so much.